Hi, it's Andy here from Davey Welding Supplies, and in this series of videos we're going to be taking a look at the time-saving kits from Cibo abrasives. Kit 6 contains the abrasives required for polishing of outside tube joints. Here's a video of Kit 6 in action. If you'd like any more information regarding Cibo's time-saving kits, then the links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content in the future, and thank you very much for watching.